Take a ride in the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, power liftgate, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.